Hi guys, life update. So today we decided to paint the house extension and add a countertop and floor tiles. We started of course with skim coat before painting it with flat white all over the area. This is what it looks like after putting flat white on the skim coat. If you have rough finish and too many voids showing at the surface, you should skim coat the area first before applying flat latex. So after drying, the next day, we started applying top coats. So for this area, I used a complementary color combination to make a little contrast instead of going with the nude scheme. For the colors, I chose this crisp periwinkle. For the other side, I chose a bold yellow to have a little glow, but it was too bright, so we decided to tone it down with white. So for the other parallel sides, I chose a slight hint of yellow, but unfortunately, they could not get the mixture, so we opted to choose one of the ready-mix paint and ended up with a light peach color. The other one below the peach is white, so I made a two-color combo horizontally to make the area bigger. The next day, we went to the city to buy tiles for the floor and countertop. Let's go! So, while we are on our way, of course, we couldn't help but admire the newest sports arena here in Region 2. So, ang dami pang tao dito kasi hindi pa nga talaga siya fully furnished. So, I think meron pa siyang landscape dyan sa harapan. So, yung sa inside lang yung tapos na. Kasi, I think nag-opening na din sila. And, yan. So, di ba ang yaman ng Santiago. From here, malapit na kami sa pupuntahan naming store. So, the name is here. So, kung gusto niyo i-visit, ito yung Facebook page nila, Filipino Home Depot and Hardware Corp. I think it took us an hour before deciding kung ano talaga yung gusto naming ilagay sa countertop and sa floor. So, ayan, ang dami kasing pagpipilian kaya medyo nahirapan din kami. Tapos yung ibang tiles pa na gusto ko is out of stock. So, mamimili ulit kami. So, yun, kaya medyo matagal talaga siya. And then, of course, it's a day 2. So, we went to Kenny Rogers. So, gusto niya kasing ipatry sa akin yung na-try daw nila na chicken and meron siyang ribs. After eating, we went straight home kasi this is around 3 p.m. na. So, umuwi na kami. And, ayan, nag-video-video na din ako kasi wala na akong malagay dito. So, thank you so much sa mga nag-review pa rin ng videos. And, thank you for subscribing. Really much appreciated po. Thank you, thank you. So, pagdating namin ng bahay, ito na yung itsura and update kung ano na yung nangyayari. So, this is the countertop and that's the sink. And then, this is what it looks like nung nakalagay na lahat. So, magulo pa lang yan. Hindi pa ako nakapag-ayos. So, open pa siya kasi lalagyan namin yan ng cabinets. So, the floor is somewhat brown and the countertop is white.